Hello and welcome to KSGIndia.com. Great Barrier Reef has lost more than half. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia, which is the largest reef system in the world, has lost more than half of its coral population in the past 3 decades, according to a new study. The research, published in the journal Proceedings of the Royal Society B, assessed coral communications and their colony size along the length of the Great Barrier Reef between 1995 and 2017 and found that small, medium, and large corals have all declined in the period. According to this study, the decline occurred in both shallow and deeper water and across virtually all species, but especially in branching and table-shaped corals. These were the worst affected by record-breaking temperatures that triggered mass bleaching in 2016 and 2017. Since the reefs are underwater ecosystems home to several interdependent species, the scientists said the loss of these corals means a loss of habitat, which in turn diminish fish abundance and the productivity of coral reef fisheries. According to the researchers, climate change is driving an increase in the frequency of reef disturbances such as marine heat waves. The study recorded steeper deteriorations of coral colonies in the northern and central Great Barrier Reef after the mass coral bleaching events in 2016 and 2017. The southern part of the reef, the scientists said, was also exposed to record-breaking temperatures in early 2020. Last year, the Australian government's official agency on the reef confirmed that human-driven warming remained the biggest threat to the reef's long-term survival. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers, the reef was designated a World Heritage Site in 1981 for its enormous scientific and intrinsic importance. But in the past decade in particular, it has been vastly damaged by warmer seas which have killed off coral, dispersed other sea life, and sped up growth of algae and other contaminants. In March, scientists reported the reef had suffered its third mass bleaching event in 5 years. The full scale of the damage was still being assessed. Global temperatures have already risen by about 1 Celsius since pre-industrial times. Thank you so very much for watching KSGIndia.com. Stay tuned for more updated and informative videos.